All right, say your name.
Danielle Bray.
And
Tegan Bray.
okay, all right. So you're out here at the Ferrum Farmers Market. So number one, are you a Ferrum Elementary student?
No.
Okay, which school do you go to?
I'm homeschooled, but I go to a group and meet and do school.
Oh, okay. What's your best subject?
Latin.
E pluribus unum. I mean, what you got?
Nothing really.
All right. So, what brings you out to the Ferrum Farmers Market today?
We have goats and chickens, and so we wanted to sell mom-made soap and bread, and we had eggs from the chickens, so we wanted to come here and sell it.
Okay. Is the soap made from the goat's milk?
Yes.
It is, yeah.
Okay. What's the best soap?
The watermelon one.
Oh, everybody seems to like the watermelon one, right?
Does it come with like a bite taken out of it
By a
when you
goat.
sell it? Okay.
There was a goat's face on it. So.
Do you help make these items?
No, but I sell grapes rolled in Jell-O powder.
Tell
What
them
are
about
those
yourself.
called?
The giving grapes.
The giving grapes. Okay. How long does it take you to make them?
Last time it took an hour.
How big is the batch at the end of an hour? And it's not just one grape.
No,
Okay.
I do 2 bags at a time,
Okay.
and usually 3 boxes of Jell-O. But this time we did 2 boxes of Jell-O.
Okay. And so so this is something that we can come here and we can purchase your grapes. And you don't have a name for them? Like I have to come in and be like, give me the unknown grapes?
It's called the Giving Grapes because I
Called the
give
Giving Grapes, you told me.
20% of my sales to the Ferrum Backpack Program,
Okay.
where they pack lunches for kids.
So if we come in and we purchase the giving grapes, how much are they?
$5 per bowl.
$5 per bowl, 20% of that. And so this is all part of the homeschool. You have to do the math on the 20% and figure out, snuck some education in there. All right. But that's going to be great when you're running your own business because you'll already know how to do this.
Yeah.
Is that your plan after school?
I want to be a farm vet.
Okay. Are you going to go to Ferrum College?
Yeah. No, I think Virginia Tech because they have a vet school.
They do. Virginia State University also has a farm school. It's the other land grant college in Virginia. So take a look at that as well when it's time.
Good to know.
It's also worth investigating. All right, that is wonderful. So giving grapes, if we want to come down to the Ferrum Market, make sure you seek those out, and that 20% goes back to the program, the backpack program. Let me let you say it because I watched
Panther
it.
packs.
Give me the
Panther
giving grapes.
packs.
Give me the whole giving grapes
Steal.
speech.
Well, so me and Mom were making them, but then
What do they call them?
they're Jell-O
Let's give
grapes, and you're supposed to do one at a time, but we decided to put them in water and then put them into a napkin and put them in.
No, don't give the secret
Jell-O
away.
powder.
Don't give the formula. Everybody else is making them the hard way.
They're-
What else are you? So we've also got the goat's milk soaps and eggs.
Yeah, but
honey.
this time we didn't get to bring any because our chickens are slow.
Chickens are on strike for summer, I think. But
Oh,
we
because
have,
of the heat.
Yes.
Probably.
So you're gonna have to air condition the chicken. What's that gonna cost?
Oh,
Uh,
her dad's an HVAC tech, so.
And you don't want to go into HVAC?
I do help Dad sometimes.
Okay. Well, if you pick it up, it's a good one. But
It's
then, all the houses are hot that you show up to, so that's no good.
I know, it's always hot because Dad has to go in attics.
Yes. Well, I don't think it's much cooler out in. Well, you want to do large animals as a vet?
Yeah, like goats, cows, and like any farm animal like sheep. We only have goats, chickens, rabbits, and bees, so. And
You got your
guineas.
beekeepers?
Honeybees, yep. So we have
And-
honey as well.
Dogs and a cat, so.
Okay. Have you been stung?
Yeah, many times.
And you're still smiling. All right, that's impressive. All right, is there anything else we need to know on the Ferrum or what makes Ferrum family, what makes Ferrum community?
It's a lovely small community, right? With lots of farmers and people who make their own things. So
Yeah.
the market's a great place to come see all of that.
All right. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I heard a man talking, didn't know what he was saying, but it kept on spilling. His words just the same. His mind seemed scrambled like a burned out candle, with half the wick a missing and a nothing for flame. Give me a savior that takes me away. Give me a blanket and a space for my head. When time descends like an old stage curtain on the back of my eyelids, I'll be in a place instead. It just kept rambling, talking 19 to the dozen, like a worn out needle, tripping right across that groove. He said there's a silence that's creeping in darkness, but why look for answers when there's nothing to prove? Give me a savior that takes me away. Give me a blanket and a space for my head. When time descends like an old stage curtain on the back of my eyelids, I'll be in a place instead. If time were elastic, would we dare ask it to hold on to something before it melts down like ice? And if we could listen, we'd hear back the laughter, 'cause no one ever wades through the same river twice. Give me a savior that takes me away. Give me a blanket and a space for my head. When time descends like an old stage curtain on the back of my eyelids, I'll be in a place instead. When time descends like an old stage curtain on the back of my eyelids, I'll be in a place instead.